Welcome to Right Choose. Top 6 Best Cordless Screwdriver 2021. Top 1. DEWALT 8V Max Cordless Screwdriver Kit, Gyroscopic, 2 batteries, DCF680N2. Motion-activated variable speed and reversing control for precise fastening control, 0 RPM-430 RPMs for fastening into wood, plastic light gauge metal. Adjustable 2-position handle allows for operation in either inline or pistol grip. 1/4 inch hex allows for quick screwdriver bit change and holds 1-inch bit tips. Motion activation variable speed and reversing control. Motion activated variable speed 0 to 430 RPMs. Adjustable 2-position handle. Straight or pistol grip. Top 2. BLACK+DECKER Cordless Screwdriver with Pivoting Handle, 3.6V, Li 2000. Lithium-Ion battery holds a charge for up to 18 months. 3-position handle lets you work in tight spaces. Spindle lock allows manual screw driving and greater control. Forward and reverse switch for easy screw driving and screw removal. Included components: Li 2000 screwdriver, 2 hex-shank screwdriver bits, charger. Lithium-ion battery holds a charge for up to 18 months. 3-position handle lets you work in tight spaces. Top 3. Metabo HPTDB3DL2 Cordless Screwdriver Kit, 3.6V, Lithium-ion batteries, 2, dual-position handle, LED light, 21 clutch settings, lifetime tool warranty. Cordless screwdriver with dual-position handle, lightweight, compact and lightweight screwdriver, only 10.55 inches in length and weighs less than 1 pound. Clutch settings, 21 clutch settings plus one drill setting for precision and control based on the application. LED light, built-in LED light illuminates the work surface. Power, superior power in a lightweight compact design. Handle, dual-position handle converts from straight to pistol grip for maximum flexibility. Switch, easy to use forward-reverse switch to change bit direction. Top 4. BLACK+DECKER 20V Max Cordless Drill Combo Kit, 4-tool, BD4KITCDCRL, Screwdriver Bit Set, Drill Bit Set, 109-piece, BDA 91109. Product 1, part of the BLACK+DECKER 20V Max battery system, and 2 batteries doubles the runtime for larger projects and less downtime. Product 1, drill driver features an 11-position clutch with a LED work light to illuminate the work surface. Product 1, circular saw features a high-torque motor with a 5-1/2 blade. Product 1, reciprocating saw features 3000 SPM motor, 7/8-stroke length and tool-free blade changes. Product 2, variety of drill bits for wood, metal, plastic and masonry. Top 5. Bosch GSR108VTECG 10.8V Cordless Drywall Screwdriver Bare L Box 060198403. Integrated LED light with afterglow function for illuminating the work area, even in dark places. Practical battery charge level indicator with 3 LEDs. Adjustable depth stop for precise screw depth setting, compatible with MA55 professional collated screw gun attachment. Optional, for driving rows of screws, forward, reverse rotation. Top 6. Makita XRF02Z18VLXT Lithium-Ion Cordless Autofeed Screwdriver Kit. Makita built 4-pole motor delivers superior fastening speed with 4000 RPMs, high collated screw capacity range, 1 inch to 2-1/8. Screw guide prevents screw strip tangling and can fold against the Autofeed housing for easy storing. Rugged aluminum dust-proof Autofeed housing provides smooth sliding action. Compact and ergonomic design at only 16-3/4 long. Check out the description link for more information. Thanks for watching. Please like and share, don't forget to subscribe.